Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Glide in Evocreo. Glide is an incredibly useful ability that lets your Creo float gracefully over various obstacles and large gaps, making exploration much easier. This skill is essential for reaching new areas and discovering hidden secrets throughout the vast world. To acquire Glide, you'll need to follow a few key steps in your adventure, starting with a significant challenge. Let's dive into the details of how you can add this fantastic movement option to your Creo's repertoire. Your journey to obtaining Glide begins with a crucial victory, defeating the very first master. This formidable opponent stands as a gatekeeper in the initial region of the game. Overcoming this challenge is not only a testament to your skill, but also a necessary step to advance your adventure. Once you achieve this significant win, new pathways will open up, leading you closer to the special trainer who can teach your Creo the art of gliding. Prepare your team for this important battle. After successfully defeating the first master, your next objective is to journey to the subsequent town. Once there, you'll need to actively seek out a very special non-player character, the Glide Trainer. This individual holds the key to unlocking the Glide ability for your Creo. They are usually situated within a prominent building in the town, so explore thoroughly. Interacting with this trainer is the direct path to learning this invaluable movement skill, so make sure to find them. Once you've located the Glide Trainer, simply interact with them to learn this fantastic ability. After acquiring it, you can assign Glide to any of your Creo that possess the appropriate elemental type or characteristics. With Glide now at your disposal, you can effortlessly traverse previously inaccessible areas, discover hidden pathways, and uncover valuable items or even new Creo. This ability significantly expands your exploration possibilities, making your adventure much more dynamic and rewarding. Enjoy your newfound freedom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.